Here are all the items I'm going to use for this project. I'm going to create table setting pieces for my outdoor table. So I have paint, I have paint brushes, I have some decorative shiny pieces here, as well as some tape. Of course, I'm going to have the paper towels in order to clean up what I mess up if I decided that I don't like the design. So I've got different size paint brushes, different forms, different shapes, and I'm going to try to create the best design for my table. I have a piece of flatware here that's got a design on the edge of it, if you can see that, and I'm going to try to do my best to create something similar to that on my plate. And well, not only just the plate. Starting with the green satin. This is a satin. I'm going to shake it up a little bit. So I've got my water, wash off my brush, my paper towel to dry my brush. Alright, let's use the green here. This has an angled in on it. I'm going to try to create a nice little swoop. So, I'll take it up. Paint. Okay, sip on the green, let that dry. And then I'll add the lavender color, which is grape taffy. Grape taffy. I'm going to change my brush and use one that is got more of a point to it. So I'm going to use this one. Okay. Let's add the rest of my colors. Okay, here's some of the beginning of our paint, and let's finish and add some other stuff here. My salad plates are finished, and I'm going to use these clear like shot glasses I got from the Dollar Tree and make the pedestals for my stand, and I'm going to create a centerpiece with my salad plates. I'm creating my stand by using the Gorilla Glue, the clear drying Gorilla Glue. And as I said before, these are, also have a paintbrush in which I'm going to spread the glue around on. And I'm doing it with a paintbrush because I don't want it to spread down the side and come all gooey looking, so forth. So we're going to do all the stands, and then I'm going to let them dry. My plates, because I don't have a steady hand, I like to use this cardboard rounder, which is a cake disc. I'm going to use this to create my curves on my plate. So I'm going to use this as a guide because I want my curves to be straighter. Okay, I don't have a steady free hand, so I use the cake round to at least give me some sort of direction to it. We're going to add the red and the yellow now. And I'm going to do the same design, I believe, that I have on the salad plates. I'm going to do the same design with the yellow and the red on the dinner plate. My yellow and my red. Here is my table, finished products. Got my plates and everything on there and my centerpiece. Have fun. Thank you for viewing my channel. I hope to see you the next time around. And don't forget to hit that notification bell and subscribe.